If there's one quick exercise that you can do to help you reach your new business goals this year, this has got to be it. Hey folks, my name is Ian Campbell and I'm the CEO of Mission Suite. I'm going to share with you a bit about the one exercise that I use to make a huge impact in my business, but first, go subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to be alerted for new videos. Now, getting referrals is quite possibly the single best way to build your business. Referrals lead to better business relationships, deals that are easier to close, and a shorter sales cycle. Now, if you agree with me, I want you to let me know by hitting the like button below the video, and if you don't, let me know in the comments what your preferred way to build business is. Now, building your referral network could be the most important thing that you can do to help your business grow. And there's a short exercise that you can do to help you grow your referral network and get more leads from referrals a lot faster. I call this exercise building my bench. I'm not a huge sports fan, but I do like baseball, so I like to think of my referral network as players on my team. The different positions on that team make up my referral bench. I have three main sections of my bench. Those are the home plate, the infield, and the outfield. Each one of these bench sections has different players in it, and they serve a different purpose to my business. Now, if you want to read a blog article on our website that does a deep dive into the referral bench, I included a link to it in the description of this video, and you'll also see a link down there to a full webinar that might be helpful for you. Now back to the bench. My home plate players are the people that I'm networking with who are having almost the same conversations with the same people that I am. For me, they're marketing consultants, sales coaches, and others who are having revenue and process conversations with business owners. These folks are worth keeping in touch with because they could very easily refer me business directly, and I can refer them as well. My infield players are the people with whom I'm networking, who might be talking to the same people or might be having the same conversations that I am, but either way, they're connecting with people that I want to connect with, and I'm connecting with people that they do. And what's more, these connections are probably interacting with people who could very well fit into my home plate, and you know that I want to meet more of those people. Now, the last group of players on my team are the outfield players. Now, this is kind of a catch-all category. They're people who are well-connected or just good to connect with. They're probably not going to introduce me directly to a client, but they could introduce me to some great other infield players. Now, they're also probably great to connect with for other reasons beyond business development, but if your main reason for networking is business development, then you'll probably want to keep that in mind. Now, if you think about this for a bit, you'll probably start to think of some names that fall into these categories. In fact, I'm betting you probably thought of some while I was talking. But that wasn't the exercise. The exercise is actually a pretty simple one. Write them down. In order to actually remember who these people are and start to develop the relationships that you need from them to send you referrals, you need to actually write their names down. So take out a piece of paper and start writing. Write out the names of everyone that comes to mind when I describe your home plate partners, and then do the same with the infield and again with the outfield. You're going to see that as you start writing these names down, more names are going to come to mind. Now write those down too. Make as big a list as you can and start reaching out to these people to reconnect for a call, a meal, a cup of coffee, whatever. You're going to see that as you start connecting with these people, they're going to start to engage back and eventually start sending you referrals. You want a cheat sheet for this? We actually have a referral bench worksheet, and it's a great place to start your lists. It breaks down the three categories so that you can start to build those lists, and you can download that worksheet. Again, that link is in the description. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.